Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a featured product slider on Shopify store. This will help highlight your best selling products and improve the shopping experience for your customers. Let's get started. First things first, we need to install a product slider app. Shopify doesn't have a built-in feature for sliders, but there are plenty of great apps in the Shopify App Store. Go to Shopify admin dashboard, then click Add Apps in the left menu. From here, visit Shopify App Store and search for product slider. I recommend apps like Glide Slider or Shopify Slider by Shopify Slider or a norm product slider. Click on the app you want, then click add app or install to install it to your store. Follow the on-screen instructions to install it. And once installed, you will be directed to the app's dashboard. Now that you have the app installed, it's time to set up your product slider. Let's go to app's settings to customize the slider to fit your store. In most apps, you will find options to choose which products appear in the slider. You can either manually select products or choose collections like featured products or best sellers. Next, let's design the slider itself. You can change the layout, animation style, and the speed of transitions. Customize the colors, fonts, and the image size to match your store's theme and branding. Once you are happy with that, it's time to add it to your store. Most apps will give you a code snippet or a widget to add your homepage or any other page. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard, then online store, themes, then click customize on theme you are using. Then go to the section where you want the slider to appear, like something like the home page, and select add section. Paste the slider code or widget in the appropriate spot. Once the slider is in place, make sure to click Save the theme. Now you can preview your store to see the slider in action. And that's it. You have successfully added a featured product slider to your Shopify store. It's a great way to showcase your products and grab customer attention. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.